Kuzma Petrov-Vodkin was born on November 5, 1878, in Khvalynsk, a small provincial town on the banks of the Volga River. His father, Sergei Petrov, was a shoemaker, while his mother Anna worked as a nanny and later as a servant for a local merchant. This humble background profoundly influenced Petrov-Vodkin's artistic vision, grounding his work in the realities of Russian peasant life and imbuing it with a deep sense of spirituality and mysticism. Growing up in Khvalynsk, Petrov-Vodkin was exposed to a community rich in folklore, religious traditions, and an appreciation for nature. The local culture was steeped in the practices of the Old Believers, an Orthodox Christian sect known for its strict adherence to traditional rituals and iconography. This environment, combined with the dramatic landscapes of the Volga region, played a crucial role in shaping his artistic sensibilities. Petrov-Vodkin's formal education began in Khvalynsk, but it was his innate talent for drawing that set him apart. His mother recognized his gift and encouraged him to pursue art. In 1893, at the age of 15, he moved to Samara to study under the local artist Fedor Burov. This apprenticeship provided him with the foundational skills in drawing and painting. A pivotal moment in Petrov-Vodkin's early career came in 1895 when he met the architect Robert Friedrich Melzer. Impressed by the young artist's work, Melzer and a local merchant, Yulia Kazarina, arranged for Petrov-Vodkin to receive a scholarship to study at the St. Petersburg Central School of Technical Drawing of Baron Stieglitz. Despite his technical abilities being initially questioned, his undeniable talent as a painter soon became evident. Petrov-Vodkin's journey continued in 1897, when he transferred to the Moscow School of Painting, Sculpture, and Architecture. Here, he studied under the guidance of renowned artists such as Valentin Serov and Konstantin Korovin. This period marked a significant phase of artistic growth, allowing him to explore various styles and techniques, and to engage with the vibrant artistic community of Moscow. In the early 1900s, Petrov-Vodkin embarked on a series of travels that would greatly influence his artistic development. His journey began with a bicycle trip to Munich in 1901, where he briefly studied at Anton Ažbe's private art school. This was followed by an extensive tour of Italy in 1905 to 1906, where he was profoundly impacted by the works of Renaissance masters such as Leonardo da Vinci, Giorgione, and Raphael. Petrov-Vodkin's travels continued to Paris, where he immersed himself in the avant-garde art scene, attending exhibitions and making sketches of the city's landscapes. He encountered the works of Paul Cézanne and Henri Matisse, which left a lasting impression on him, leading to a blend of academic rigor and modernist experimentation in his style. By the time he returned to Russia in 1909, Petrov-Vodkin had developed a unique artistic vision that combined elements of classical composition with a modernist sensibility. This was further enriched by his travels to North Africa, particularly Algeria and Tunisia, where the vibrant colors and distinct light conditions influenced his palette and thematic choices. Petrov-Vodkin's artistic career is marked by a distinctive style that blends realism with symbolism, often incorporating elements of Russian iconography and folk art. One of his most famous works, Bathing of a Red Horse, 1912, exemplifies his innovative use of color and form. The painting's vibrant red horse and spherical perspective create a dynamic composition that captures the viewer's attention and conveys a sense of cosmic unity. Another significant work is Mother of God, 1915, which reflects his deep connection to Russian religious traditions. The painting's composition and use of color draw heavily from the iconography of the Russian Orthodox Church, yet it also incorporates modernist elements that give it a unique and contemporary feel. Petrov-Vodkin's use of spherical perspective, a technique that gives the viewer a sense of the curvature of the earth, became one of his signature styles. This approach can be seen in works like Death of a Commissar, 1928, and In the Line of Fire, 1916, where the distorted perspective creates a sense of distance and immersion simultaneously. In 1927, Petrov-Vodkin contracted pulmonary tuberculosis, which significantly impacted his ability to paint. During his convalescence, he turned to literature, writing 3 major semi-autobiographical works, Klinovsk, Euclid's Space, and Samarcandia. These writings offer a deep insight into his worldview and artistic philosophy, blending personal narrative with reflections on art and society. Despite his illness, Petrov-Vodkin continued to teach at the Higher Art School in Petrograd, formerly St. Petersburg, from 1918 to 1932. His influence on a generation of Soviet artists was profound, as he imparted both technical skills and a deep appreciation for the cultural and spiritual dimensions of art. In 1932, Petrov-Vodkin was elected the first president of the Leningrad Union of Artists, a testament to his significant standing in the Soviet art community. However, his health continued to decline, and he passed away on February 15, 1939, from tuberculosis. Kuzma Petrov-Vodkin's legacy is preserved in his diverse body of work, which continues to be celebrated for its innovative approach and profound spiritual depth. His paintings are held in major collections, including the Russian Museum in St. Petersburg, where a dedicated room showcases his works. A memorial museum in his hometown of Khvalynsk also honors his contributions to Russian art. His influence extends beyond his paintings to his literary works, which are regarded as significant contributions to Russian literature. His writings provide a valuable context for understanding his artistic vision and the broader cultural and social milieu of his time. Petrov-Vodkin's unique blend of realism, symbolism, and modernist experimentation positions him as a pivotal figure in Russian art history. His ability to capture the cosmic and the quotidian, the spiritual and the material, ensures that his work remains relevant and inspiring to both artists and art lovers today. Kuzma Petrov-Vodkin's life and work encapsulate a profound journey through the artistic, cultural, and social landscapes of late 19th and early 20th century Russia. From his humble beginnings in Khvalynsk to his travels across Europe and North Africa, and his eventual role as a leading figure in Soviet art, Petrov-Vodkin's legacy is one of innovation, introspection, and profound spiritual exploration. His unique artistic style, characterized by the use of spherical perspective and a vibrant palette, continues to captivate audiences, while his literary works offer deep insights into his philosophy and worldview. As both an artist and a writer, Petrov-Vodkin remains a towering figure in the history of Russian art, whose contributions continue to be celebrated and studied for their enduring impact and significance.